I'm Sean Nichols. I'm with AssetWatch, a company out of Columbus, Ohio. We make IoT products that mainly work in the condition monitoring space. So we tell people when their machines are going to break, when things aren't working, and we also consult with them on how to fix them. Coax makes our AssetWatch vibration sensor. They also make the AssetWatch hub. They do everything from helping us with the design of the PCBA to manufacturing the PCBA and also the box build. As we're scaling up, we needed a manufacturing partner that could take us to the next level, that had the resources to scale with us. So for us, the biggest impact is making sure that we can supply our customers, which is the life of our business. And without Coax, we don't think we would have been able to do that. They can ramp up and down with us based on our demand, and they make the changes fairly quickly. We did a full RFQ process. We went through 5 different vendors across the country, and then come to find out right here in our backyard, we were able to find the right team. Coax has a really robust engineering team, which has mechanical, electrical, and manufacturing engineers. They were able to help take our product from early concept stage through full production. Coax always had the PCBA design in spades, but they've worked with us through rocky supply chain situations to keep costs down and to also keep the quality high. The relationship with Coax has evolved from a more vendor-customer relationship to really a true partnership. They have this amazing facility. It's super clean with lots of room to expand. They have taken many of our designs. They've helped us make them better and more cost efficient. We're very excited to be part of their future and that they're part of ours.